How many charges are there?
Will they be wearing handcuffs, Mr. Bragg?
To Alvin Bragg, the New York District Attorney making history with his indictment of Donald Trump, shouted questions. While in Lower Manhattan, where next week Trump will surrender, be fingerprinted, and have his mugshot taken, security has stepped up ever more, bracing for what is expected to be near absolute chaos.
The walkthrough today is to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Court officers, NYPD, and the Secret Service detail that protects Donald Trump still.
With reports now that Trump will face more than 30 fraud-related counts, Trump lawyers laid out the first steps in the counterattack when it all begins Tuesday.
We'll go in there and we'll proceed to see a judge at some point, plead not guilty, start talking about filing motions, which we will do immediately.
It all stems from payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 presidential campaign, aimed at masking an alleged affair with Trump. Daniels herself today canceled a talk show appearance, citing security concerns. Watching all of it unfold, the current president, Joe Biden, who typically chooses not to weigh in on any of it.
I have no comment on that.
A disgrace.
Senior Republicans, by contrast, mostly siding with Trump.
It's the archetypal abuse of the prosecutorial function to engage in a political hit job.
Meanwhile, from Trump's home in Florida, the former president is lashing out at the New York judge assigned to his case. "He hates me," Trump wrote. Not far away, a Trump-branded jet waits on a tarmac, while flag-waving Trump supporters made their view clear on all of it.
Actually, I think it's helping him. I think he's going to get more votes now because people maybe will wake up and vote for him. I hope.
And Paul, no one really knows how the logistics of all of this is going to unfold.
Yeah, that's right. Because again, look, this has never happened before. Look at it this way. You might have heard in the piece a reference to the Secret Service. That's because while Trump is now facing criminal indictment, as a former president, he qualifies for full Secret Service protection for the rest of his life. So there will be agents on hand Tuesday protecting him as an ex-president who now happens to be criminally charged. That unto itself will turn things upside down next week, and for that matter, throughout his coming trial. Nothing in this, Ian, will be normal.
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.